ओके, ये क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस बिटवीन ए एंड बी एंड all the branches over here, all the resistors over here have the same value R. Each of the individual resistors equal to R. So how do we solve this question? Now we have symmetry about this line. Okay, we have symmetry about this line. Sorry, we have symmetry about this line. Okay, so that means what? The current on the branch on the left side and the current in the branch on the right side will be same. That means if this branch has current I, then this branch also has current I. Let me write with another color now. Then the second branch has current something and this other branch has the same current. Okay, so all the current coming from this branch is directly going into this one. All the current coming from this branch is directly going into this one. Similarly in the bottom also, all the current coming through this branch is going over here. Okay, and all the current over here will go in this branch. Okay, this current is going directly over here. So what we can do is we can connect these two directly. We can break this junction over here. We can break this junction. Okay, we can break this junction and redraw our circuit. How will we redraw the circuit? We will connect these two resistors together, these two together. These two will get connected together and these two will get connected together. Okay, so here you can see R plus R, 2R is in series with this R. Okay, then these two are in series. Okay, R and 2R. These two are in series, R and R. These two are in series, R and R. So let's redraw them. So R plus R, 2R. 2R and R in parallel. So what do we get? 2R and R will give us, we'll redraw the circuit. Okay, so R and R over here. R, R. Then this is 2R and R. So we get 3R by 2. Sorry, 2R by 3. Okay, finally R plus R, 2R in these two ends. Okay, so this is 2R and everything same we have to draw in the bottom also. R, 2R by 3 and R, then we have another 2R over here. So now it's easy to simplify. So here the total resistance will be 2R plus 2R by 3 will be equal to, so over here in the top I will get the net resistance to be equal to 8R by 3. Similarly at the bottom also I'll get the same thing. Okay, I get the same thing at the bottom, right? Okay, now these two are in parallel, so these two together will give you 8R by 7. Okay, 8R by 7. So now I have got two branches, 8R by 7, and this will also become 8R by 7. So the net resistance will be 4R by 7. Okay, so option A will be correct.